In this video, we'll cover the Deeplink and Smart App banner feature in Evlop, two powerful tools that help you move customers from your website or campaigns directly into your mobile app. Deeplinking is a direct connection between your website and the app. Instead of a link opening your mobile website in a browser, a deep link recognizes that the user has your app installed and instantly transports them to a specific page, like a product or a collection page, right inside the native app. A Smart App banner is a professional, non-intrusive pop-up banner that appears at the top or the bottom of your mobile website. It acts as a bridge, inviting your web visitors to either open the app they already have or download it directly from the App Store or Play Store. It's one of the most effective ways to convert web traffic into loyal app users. Let's explore how to configure the Deeplinks and Smart App banners. Start by heading to the Features section from your Evlop dashboard to view your available tools. Scroll down to find the Deeplinks and Smart App banner card. Click Enable to activate the feature, then select Configuration to begin setting up your deep linking environment. This is the Deeplink and Smart App banner feature page. Here you can set up deep links and configure the smart banner that appears on your store's website. For Android users, check the box to enable Android app links. This requires your Android app SHA-256 fingerprint. You can easily find this by logging into your Google Play console, navigating to Test and Release, then App Integrity, and copying the fingerprint from the App Signing Key Certificate section of the Play App Signing settings. Enable Android Smart App banner to capture your Android web traffic. This displays a pop-up banner on your mobile website, inviting Android users to open your app or download it directly from the Google Play Store with just a single tap. For your Apple users, select Enable iOS Universal Links. This ensures that when a customer clicks a product link in Safari or an email, they're instantly taken to that exact page inside your app, rather than staying in the mobile browser. Check the box for Enable iOS Smart App banner to target Apple users. This displays a sleek banner at the top of Safari, allowing customers to easily open your app or download it from the App Store while they browse your website from their iPhone. Select Enable Desktop Smart App banner to show a QR code to your desktop visitors. When scanned, it automatically directs them to the App Store or Play Store based on their device. If they already have your app, it opens it instantly, making the move from desktop to mobile completely seamless. Once you've configured your links and banners, click Save at the top of the page to push these updates live. That completes the setup for your Smart App banners and deep links. Your store is now optimized to capture every mobile opportunity, providing a modern shopping experience across all devices. Give your customers the professional mobile experience they deserve. Install Evlop to get started.